Guys, hello. We are going to be playing OG Fun Monkey Horror. Ciao! We are going to be playing Meetup. If you want to get this game, it's free. In Meta Horizon Store. Are we going in right now? I got it. I won't. Alright. We are in! I won't. I have to wait for my brother right now. Hi. This is my brother. Alright, ready to go? There's a black potato, so. Where are you? Oh, hell no. Oh, run! Where'd it come out of, bro? Oh! Ow! Oh, I'm dead. God, bro. Oh, bro, of course it came. God, that was scary. Guys, this game is really fun and scary. A little bit scary. I survived. Which door are you at? Close mine. This game is fun. Alright. So, and I am Malau, also known as 76 or 41. If I see it, guys, I am gonna die. I don't know. I don't know where you go. You said my name. That you did. Alright. Lashton. Oh yeah. He's gonna come out of nowhere. I'm telling you. I heard footsteps. I heard footsteps, so yeah, I heard him. I don't know. I think he's stuck. I hear him in the same place. Where are you? Me too. Oh! He's not stuck anymore. I'm dead. Huh? I got stuck on the cave. He's just running. Cody. Alright, guys. Again, what the frick? We are playing Meetup. Get this game in Meta Horizon Store. Okay, bro, you going in it? Do. Why did I press that? Hello. What the frick? Oh, he was right. I won't. What if it opens? We're cooked. Alright, do the intro. I'm joking, you already did it. 6, 7. Shit. I think I hit this guy with the frying pan too hard. Bam! What door was that from? I'm gonna press this. Run! To go this way? Where are you leaving me? Oh, I'm gonna get jump scared. I heard like a tiny footstep. You in? Hello? What the hell was that? I heard a footstep. God, so help me. Where are you? I'm gonna get jumped. Open the door that we came out of. Open it. Ah! Close. Okay. That was very scary. Got you. If I yell he's coming, run. He's coming. Joking. I'm getting ready to run. Tell me if he's coming. Like yell. I saw like a. Wait, I can't see anything. I can see stuff on your side, but I'm dead. Oh, hell no! A little bit. Make sure you're ready to what? Frying pan. Monster over here. We've got free fried. God, bro. Frick you! I was about to. Hey, I saw a light. The hell? I was actually about to run. We're frying pan this. Oopsies. Close mine. Turned what off? I have an idea that I want to do right now. If it's stuck, that's. You know what? I really tried. Wait, where'd you go? Close? Close. Hey, why do you go? No cussing! This is family friendly! Family friendly YouTube channel. Sadly. Okay, be behind. I feel like you're gonna. I'm gonna keep on looking. I saw the bright light. Ow. Remember? Bryce, remember? I think I just. Oh. I think I just saw a bright light. Why you. If you go up to him, he's gonna be unstuck. No. Yes. No, it's here. Yeah. Ah! Oh! God dang, bro! God dang! God! Oh God! Oh! I thought she was stuck. Again, actually, is he? Are you still alive? How? Bro, wait! I didn't even see you move. How you back in here? Wait, where is he stuck? Is he stuck over here? And then I wasn't he over here or something? Yeah. I don't hear footsteps, so that means he's not stuck. That over there. Alright. He comes around this corner. Will you remember me? Ah! Oh, he's just stuck. Oh! Sacrifice! Whee! Is he still? Is he stuck still? Dang it. I thought it would work. Want to join a new code? Want to join a new thing? Let's go over here. Where is he? Yeah. He's attracted to you, not me. He's not over there. No, he's not, Dumbo. I don't hear footsteps. But he's not over here. He's not, bro. Where do you see the corner at? Where do you see? Oh, wait, Dumbo. What's this? See? He's just around that corner. Yeah. He got unstuck. No, what happened? He got unstuck and then stuck again. And then he came at me. If Bryce, you know what? If you see his eyes, that means that's when he's a No! You close it. I'm ready to stay up here. Me too. Where'd he go? Should we go that way? He's stuck again in the same place. Ah! Coast is clear. Tyree kill mode. Scared. I heard that footstep. Oh God. No. We both look in front. I'm looking behind so often, so I could like go forward and walk. He's not behind us. We're good. Ow. Bro, I said you went in the wrong way. Wait, what? 2, 1, 7, 6, 7. Joined. I joined it. No. What is it in? I did that. Yeah. Oh, I know what I'm gonna join. I'm gonna join. I'm joining Run Remake. Oh, what's happening? Where's that guy at? Gay. Hey, I'm recording a video right now. Oh, hell no. Family-friendly channel. You're saying the N-word. I had to leave. Bryce, you gotta cut that part out. I need to cut a part out, Bryce. No, they were all saying... They were just yelling it, bro. No, I'm just gonna cut that part out. Hey! Guys, hello? Hello? Who wants to go? What the hell? Is he stuck? The door! Is he stuck? Is he stuck? What? Who said that? Y'all are weird, bro. Oh yeah, you're weird. You watch too much YouTube Shorts, buddy. What just happened? Are you the actual voice? No! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Good boy! What the? Cheater? Cheater? Question mark? Where? Oh! God, bro. What happened? Hey, should I sacrifice? This one. If you get jumped, that's on you. Where is he? Crap. Oh. Oh, what the? Oh, hell no! Oh! Oh! Man, come on! Ooh, lady, la, da, oh, my baby. But should I end vid? Should I end vid? Guys, please like and subscribe. And hope you like it.